In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Wix website if it's not working properly. Let's get started and I'll walk you through the steps to get your site back up and running. First, you'll need to navigate to the Wix website editor. Once you're there, take your mouse and hover over the Publish button. This is the control panel of your website where you can make updates and changes, but today, we're focusing on solving that issue with the website not appearing as expected. Hovering over this button will reveal more options that are crucial for our fix. The next step is to click on Unpublish Site. Now, you might be wondering why unpublishing is necessary. By doing this, you're essentially removing the current state of your website from public view. It might seem a little daunting, especially if you're worried about losing your site, but rest assured, your data is safe, and this is just a temporary measure to help refresh the system. After you've clicked Unpublish Site, there will be a prompt asking you to confirm your decision. Once more, click on Unpublish. This step is about ensuring your changes are fully recognized by Wix's servers, and it might take a moment to process. Once your site is unpublished, take a deep breath, and then proceed to click Unpublish again if prompted. Clicking through these confirmations ensures that the unpublishing process has been completed, and your site is in the offline mode we're aiming for before we republish it. Now that your website has been successfully unpublished, it's time to close out of any extra windows or tabs you might have open in the editor. So, click on Close. Doing this helps prevent any accidental edits or changes while we prepare to bring your website back online with a fresh start. With everything closed and set, the final step is to click on Publish again. This action will bring your website back online, reinitiating it with a clean slate. The reason this method works is that it refreshes your site. It can clear out any glitches or errors that were preventing it from functioning as expected. Think of it as giving your website the equivalent of a digital refresh, allowing it to operate smoothly once more. And there you have it. Following these straightforward steps should have your Wix website up and running effectively. If the issue persists, you might want to look into specific elements on your site that could be causing problems, or seek further technical support from Wix's customer service. Otherwise, I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating and resolving any issues with your Wix website. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.